Hi! In front of me is VIVO T1 Pro 5, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this VIVO. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. Now we need to get this app from Flare to Developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your VIVO's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!